In a galaxy not so far away, a giant star at the end of its life begins to collapse. 2.2 million years ago, it exploded into a supernova, releasing vast amounts of energy. This explosion sent high-energy cosmic rays on a journey through the cosmos. Traveling at nearly the speed of light, they covered the 150 light-year distance to Earth. At this time, Earth was in the Galasian epoch. The planet's climate was changing, and early human ancestors roamed the savannas of Africa. Cosmic rays from the supernova interacted with Earth's atmosphere, potentially contributing to an increase in ionization and affecting cloud formation. Evidence of the supernova was found millions of years later, as scientists uncovered traces of iron-60 isotopes in deep-sea sediments. This rare element is a telltale sign of a supernova. This supernova may have contributed to a cooler climate, influencing both Earth's ecosystems and the evolutionary path of early hominins. Some theories even suggest it could have played a role in a mass extinction. The supernova explosion left its mark not only on Earth but across the galaxy. While it occurred millions of years ago, its impact remains in the cosmos and in our understanding of stellar death and cosmic events.